CrystalDiskInfo won't open when you click it. Whether nothing happens, the window appears and closes, or Windows shows an error, there are a few things you can check. In this guide, we'll go from the simplest fixes to compatibility and installation checks. So let's get started. First, restart your computer. It sounds basic, but a restart can clear temporary Windows processes that may be preventing an application from launching correctly. After Windows loads again, try opening CrystalDiskInfo from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. If it still won't open, try running it with administrator permissions. Right-click the CrystalDiskInfo shortcut or executable and select Run as administrator. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, choose Yes. If the program opens this way, the problem may be related to permissions. Next, check whether your Windows version meets CrystalDiskInfo's requirements. The official documentation lists support for Windows versions from XP through Windows 11, with current features having additional requirements. The latest version also supports x86, x64, and ARM64 architectures. So, if you're using an unusual or unsupported Windows environment, compatibility could be the reason. If CrystalDiskInfo still refuses to launch, reinstalling it can fix a damaged or incomplete installation. First, uninstall the current version from Windows apps or programs and features. Then download a fresh copy from the official CrystalDiskInfo website. The official documentation says the installer edition can be installed simply by running the installer. If the installer version still doesn't launch, you can also try the zip edition. This version doesn't use the normal installation process. Instead, extract the zip file into a folder and run CrystalDiskInfo from there. This can help determine whether the problem is related to the installation rather than the application itself. Another possibility is that Windows security or third-party antivirus software is preventing the application from starting. Check your security software's protection history or quarantine area and look for a CrystalDiskInfo-related block. If you find one, verify that the file came from the official source before deciding whether to allow it. Don't disable your antivirus just to make the program launch. If the application still won't open, check whether you're using an older release or a special Windows environment. The official CrystalDiskInfo documentation also notes that some storage controllers and configurations aren't supported. So if the program launches on another computer but not yours, the Windows environment or storage controller may be part of the problem. Once CrystalDiskInfo opens normally, you should see your available drives and their health information. And that's it. Try these fixes in order, starting with the simple ones.